Save battery and data with this simple iPhone Wi-Fi trick. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Then tap the Automation tab at the bottom. From the top right corner, tap on the plus icon to create a new automation. Scroll through the available categories and tap on Wi-Fi in the list. Here, tap on Choose Next to Network. Then select your home or office Wi-Fi. Tap on the check mark. Now, make sure the Is Joined option selected. Just below that, turn on Run After Connection Interruption. And then change the option below to Run Immediately. Once done, tap on Next from the top right. Here, we need to choose the action. Tap on the search bar at the bottom and type Set Cellular. From the results, select Set Cellular Data as the action. Change the option from On to Off and tap on the check mark. This automation will turn off mobile data when your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Now tap on the plus icon at the top to create another automation. Again, select Wi-Fi from the list and choose the same Wi-Fi network. Now change the option below to Is Disconnected. Also, make sure Run Immediately is enabled. Then tap on Next from the top right corner. Once again, search for Set Cellular and select Set Cellular Data from the results. Make sure it is turned on. Then tap the check mark. This automation will turn on mobile data only when Wi-Fi is disconnected. Both these automations save iPhone battery life and reduces unnecessary mobile data usage.